This is Nancy with Fix This House, and in this episode, I believe it's part 4, we are painting the walls, rather I should say Don is painting the walls with Agreeable Gray by Sherwin Williams, and it goes on beige and dries to a gray. I think you can kind of see the beige look there. And there's the ceiling. The ceiling's been painted some kind of white. What kind of white did you use?
White?
Just white? Walmart white?
No, I don't use Walmart paint. Never use Walmart paint.
Alright, and here's how the walls look, the knotty pine paneling. I think it's turning out really nice. This is just the first coat, and I like the way it looks, especially on the camera. It looks really good. In real life, it's still a little bit beige, but it's turning out really nice. And Don went through, after we primed with the Zinsser Cover Stain oil-based primer, he caulked all of these joints to the right, which is the part where the paneling comes together, and that covers up all of the holes and the slits that you would normally see, which was my concern. And now we're getting the first coat on, and it's looking really good. So next we're going to be putting some floor down, and can't wait to show it to you. All right, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, write them down below. If you don't mind hitting the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.